What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. As you can see here, the Cybertruck just pulled in 2025.38.3, and this was kind of an under the radar update that's being dropped with Tron mode. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. Maybe it's just because I like the movies, but I think this is a really cool partnership and could lead to a lot of positive momentum in the future for Tesla advertising and things like that. I just think it's actually a pretty cool integration, again, especially just due to the theming and how integrated it feels with a Tesla vehicle. So that's obviously one of the main updates here in the 38.3 piece, but back to the 2025.38, there are finally dashcam viewer updates here, and it says street names are now included in dashcam event details when available, making it easier to distinguish between recorded events. In addition, the mobile dashcam viewer now streams and downloads at a higher resolution, and you do need the most recent Tesla app, at least 4.49.5. Now, what you will see that's missing here, unfortunately, we don't seem to have the 3D cityscape that was being preached in other vehicles just yet, so it's something to keep in mind and see if it is still in existence on this next update coming to Cybertruck. You can see we did have a notification icon here under display. If we scroll down here to see what it is, you can see we now have additional scroll wheel functions that you can actually change. So now we have mute navigation, save dash cam, drive and off-road mode, ride height, steering wheel heater, defrost, display brightness, music light sync, dome lights, and glove box. So that has expanded out a little more functionality there. And then jumping into software, you can see the full build number of 2025.38.3 is 992D47C65C38. And yes, we are still on 13.2.9. We do not have V14 yet on FSD. As soon as that comes, we will do another video for that, but for now, let's go ahead and do a drive and take a look at how this works. To activate it, you can just go into Toy Box, and as you can see, it's highlighted right here where it says Tron Aries, Greetings Programs, transform your vehicle into the light cycle. Let's hit Let's Ride. And when we do so, nice little audio change, a little display here. Sounds just like the light cycles. That's super cool. Whoa. Okay. Let me turn this down. It actually starts playing the theme too. That is, wow. I have to say, look at this. That is really cool. Yeah, I'm definitely a fan. I think that looks amazing. You can still tap everywhere you need if you need to open your charging ports, your hood, the trunk. It's all right here, the frunk. Very, very cool. All right, let's take this baby for a drive. So I'm not sure if you can hear it in the audio, but the blinker actually sounds totally different as well. It's very much more Tronish, as you would imagine, and digitally sounding. So let's go ahead and finish turning. Yeah, pretty cool how you can see it. I would imagine it would look even cooler at night. Can you hear that? You guys need to comment down below. Let me know what you think with these new sound effects. How cool is that? Definitely a huge fan. Really do like this. So yeah, again, here's a quick look at that interface. I really do think they knocked it out of the park with this integration. Really cool. Not anything else other than some audio changes and visuals for this update, but I think this is a fun one nonetheless. Really looking forward to seeing the 3D maps and all of that. But that's it for this one, guys. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are you excited for this update? What is your next big Tesla feature you would like to see integrated in their vehicles? Let us know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to use that referral code if you are interested in picking up a Tesla vehicle. It always helps out the channel. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.